Okay, got one more to repot. This is a Copiapoa species. It's probably a bit of a hybrid now, but when I Google it and I look at it, it's got all those fuzzy bits on it. It does say that it's the right species on the title, but you know what? It doesn't matter. It's an awesome cactus. It's a Copiapoa. It's actually flowering. This is the last two flowers, and then when I do this repot, it'll probably die off and I'll pluck them out and we'll start again, right? New season. And it's all good. And I found the perfect pot for it. The Chinese pot. Look at that. How cool would that be, yeah? Cool. So that's what I'm going to do with that one. Chinese pot. I need gloves for this one. This is a prickly mofo. And I'm going to put stuff in the bottom of this. Bear with me. I want maximum drainage at the bottom to make sure that it never compacts. Done. Okay? Done. Could even get a little plate with it. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. So, but look, what are we going to do? Let's have a look to see what the condition is. I actually tried this before, this particular species, and it died on me. And I think what happened was I didn't crush the root ball enough. Got too wet. I don't know. It was sad. It was an awesome plant. So I hope that this one does not die. Okay, it's looking good. Look, there we go. Be gentle with it. Look, it's not root bound at all, but I've learned my lesson from last time. I'm going to just a little bit of root tease in to loosen up some of those roots, okay? I don't want it to be root bound inside the pot. So, and I'm going to bury it at the same level that it was on. So, cool. There, okay. Now let's I don't want to compact the center too much, but I want to compact the sides and then let it settle in the roots. See, look at that. It's the soil is settling in a lot. I'm not going to reuse the soil. I'm going to try to bury it as the same level as before, not to shock so it doesn't dry out or anything. Okay, there we go. I'm going to get rid of this soil, bear with me. Okay, and then let me top dress this pot. So the other one that I actually have of this, I've kept. There was a rot on the side, and I cut almost 2/3 of the plant away. It's still alive, actually. So I don't know what's going to happen to it, but it's still alive. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to live for, but you know what I mean. See what happens. There we go. There. Beautiful. Look at that. There's no doubt it's going to get stressed out and that flower's going to drop off, but the flower's been open a while, so it's going to drop off anyway. But there you go. Beautiful.